Meaning of harmfulness.
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 Harmfulness. Harmfulness refers to the potential or actual damage or negative impact that something can cause to living organisms, the environment, or society. It can be caused by various factors such as exposure to toxins, pollutants, harmful substances, or behaviors that pose risks to health and safety. The result of harm can range from mild discomfort to severe illness, injury, or death. Harmful activities such as pollution, smoking, and reckless driving can contribute to the degradation of natural resources and endanger the well-being of individuals and communities. It is important to minimize harmful behaviors and practices to ensure a safe and sustainable future.